Senses Electronics, we believe classroom technology must be reliable, intuitive, and built for real teaching. For over 13 years, Senses has partnered with educators and institutions across India, powering 1 lakh plus classrooms in 10,500 plus institutes with solutions designed, manufactured, and supported in India. Senses offers 2 interactive panel models, SensePro, our flagship standard, and SenseEdge, our reliable classroom workhorse. Both are engineered for daily institutional use, long operating hours, and long-term durability. Every Senses interactive panel supports dual OS, Windows, and Android. Senses is the first company to introduce Android 16 on interactive panels, bringing faster performance, enhanced security, and a smarter classroom experience. SenseBoard is the core of every Senses interactive panel. SenseBoard is India's first teaching software built specifically for Indian classrooms. With 250 plus integrated teaching tools and SensesAI, SenseBoard transforms how lessons are explained, visualized, and remembered. SenseBoard is powered by SensesAI, a grade-centric AI built for education, not general use. It understands syllabus structure, grade levels, and board requirements through its AI Curriculum Navigator, enabling accurate, syllabus-based searches. Teachers get quick, relevant content like explanations, prompts, videos, all filtered for classroom use. While drawing on the canvas, SensesAI assists by generating related doodles, web images, or AI-generated visuals. SenseBoard brings official NCERT textbooks directly onto the teaching canvas, fully interactive and powered by SensesAI. Teachers can browse NCERT books class-wise and chapter-wise, open any page instantly, and teach directly on the book, just like a physical NCERT textbook, only smarter. With SensesAI, teachers can generate quizzes, summaries, questions and answers, MCQs, highlights directly from the NCERT textbook page. The library is synced with official NCERT servers, ensuring textbooks are always up to date. Once downloaded, NCERT books are available offline. This feature also supports publications like Balbharti and also enables question paper generation for perfectly aligned assessments. You can also add any PDF, board content, or publication and instantly turn it into an interactive lesson with quizzes, summaries, and AI-powered insights. SenseBoard also integrates tools like PhET, GeoGebra, and Polypad directly on the canvas without switching apps. PhET, Polypad, GeoGebra. The quiz utility in SenseBoard allows teachers to create assessments instantly and flexibly without prior preparation. Quizzes can be generated from a topic, textbook content, PDF, or audio input aligned to the selected grade and subject. SenseBoard lets teachers customize quizzes by type, difficulty, language, and read aloud, even creating them via voice input.
Solar system.
It uses adaptive learning to evaluate understanding, revisit concepts if needed, and run quizzes individually or in class, making assessment a smart extension of teaching. SenseBoard offers a library of 5,000 plus animated 3D models, carefully sorted by grade and topic. Each model is animated and dynamic. This allows teachers to explain concepts using motion, interaction, and depth, something static diagrams simply cannot achieve. Teachers can also import their own 3D model files, enabling customized explanations and institution-specific content. SensesAI automatically recognizes handwritten content written naturally on the teaching canvas, including mathematical expressions, chemical equations, symbols, and other visual problem formats. SensesAI breaks down solutions step by step, whether a math problem or a chemical equation. It helps students grasp the logic behind each step without pop-ups or app switching. SenseBoard provides a complete set of interactive math tools such as rulers, compasses, protractors, and geometry tools directly on the teaching canvas, with precise measurements, smooth movement, and real-time accuracy. SenseBoard also includes a digital Abacus designed for early mathematics learning. Teachers can demonstrate counting and number concepts using a fully interactive, customizable Abacus with adjustable beads and clear visual movement. SenseBoard offers a set of subject-specific chemistry tools designed to replicate real laboratory equipment and atomic models directly on the teaching canvas. Teachers can demonstrate experiments using beakers, burettes, measuring cylinders, flasks, and test tubes with accurate volume markings and controlled interactions. SenseBoard also includes interactive atomic structure models, allowing teachers to visualize electron shells, atomic numbers, and element behavior in a clear, structured way. For geography and social sciences, teachers can use interactive maps, diagrams, and timelines to explain locations, movements, regions, and historical events more clearly. Maps can be zoomed, annotated, and explored in real time, helping students connect concepts with real-world geography. With SenseBoard, teachers can upload images directly onto the teaching canvas, including textbook pages, printed worksheets, or photographed notes. Using SenseSAI, text can be extracted from the image in a single click, converting printed content into editable digital text instantly. SenseBoard supports 15 regional Indian languages and 4 foreign languages, making lessons accessible to diverse classrooms across regions. The Read Aloud feature allows text to be spoken clearly, supporting younger learners, mixed ability classrooms, and students who benefit from auditory learning.
आणि व्याख्या आपो सौरमंडळ ही सूर्यमाला ही गुरुत्वाकर्षणाने एकत्र ठेवलेल्या खगोलीय पिंडांचा संग्रह.
Insert YouTube videos directly onto the teaching canvas, turning videos into interactive teaching tools. Teachers can highlight key moments, writing explanations, or drawing attention to important details. Annotated frames can be saved and reused, and when the video is revisited, the annotations remain in place, ensuring continuity across multiple teaching sessions.
And videos with annotation can be downloaded as well.
SenseBoard offers ad-free playback and safe search, keeping classroom viewing focused and age-appropriate. SenseBoard supports customizable gesture controls, allowing teachers to perform common actions without searching for tools or menus. Teachers can map simple gestures to actions like adding a new page, saving a lesson, undoing steps, or clearing the canvas. Teachers get an endless teaching canvas that extends as the lesson progresses, just like a blackboard without limits. The auto-scroll feature automatically moves the canvas as teachers write, maintaining smooth lesson flow and keeping students focused on the explanation. Teachers can use multi-canvas to work on multiple canvases within one lesson, splitting the screen for side-by-side explanations, comparisons, or references, ideal for step-by-step problem solving without losing previous work. SenseBoard makes teaching faster and more intuitive with voice recognition.
Start dictation. Draw a circle. Draw a triangle.
Using simple voice commands, teachers can control SenseBoard hands-free, open tools, switch modes, navigate content, and manage the teaching canvas without touching the screen. SenseBoard also features SenseAssist, an intelligent voice assistant designed specifically for classrooms. SenseAssist works with a preset teacher voice profile, ensuring the system responds only to the authorized educator.
Hey SenseBoard.
Welcome. I'm your voice assistant, ready whenever you are. How can I assist you today?
Teachers can activate SenseAssist by simply saying, "Hey SenseBoard," and interact with it in any language.
मिट्टी के अलग-अलग प्रकार होते हैं, जैसे कि रेतीली मिट्टी जो
Asking questions, clarifying concepts, or requesting explanations naturally while teaching. With SenseBoard, teachers can share the entire taught lesson directly from the teaching canvas via email, WhatsApp, or QR code without any additional steps or formatting. Students can simply scan the QR code and receive the lesson directly on their device. Sharing works independently of network or device type, so every student can access the lesson whether they are on a different network, platform, or location. Accessing teaching content on a shared classroom device should be simple, secure, and institution-friendly. With SenseBoard, teachers can scan a QR code and securely sign into their Google Workspace or Cloud account without typing passwords on the screen. This supports both personal and institutional cloud environments, allowing schools to use Google Workspace or other cloud platforms for centralized content management. SenseBoard receives regular software updates, ensuring schools always have access to the latest features and enhancements. There are no subscriptions and no hidden costs. All updates are provided throughout the life of the panel. Every feature from the SenseBoard, from intelligent teaching tools and curriculum-aligned content to AI-powered utilities, assessments, and classroom workflows, is fully optimized for Android as well. Senses provides comprehensive teacher training with every SenseBoard installation. Teachers receive structured training sessions designed to help them understand features, teaching workflows, and classroom best practices. Teachers are also offered official certification, validating their proficiency and encouraging consistent, effective use of SenseBoard. Senses provides reliable service and support through a pan-India service network, ensuring timely assistance whenever it's needed. From installation and onboarding to maintenance and issue resolution, schools receive consistent, professional support throughout the product lifecycle. Dedicated support channels and trained service personnel ensure minimal downtime and peace of mind for institutions. Technology matters only when it truly supports teachers. From lesson planning to classroom delivery, SenseBoard is part of everyday teaching across India. Here's what our educators have to say. Every school deserves technology that truly supports teaching. SenseBoard brings together intelligent software, curriculum-aligned tools, and long-term support. Call us today and book a demo for your school to experience how learning can become clearer, smarter, and more effective. Senses, revolutionizing teaching.